Hi everybody, welcome to Twisted Roots Yoga Studio. My name is Elizabeth Wirick and we are here in Live Oak, Florida. This is our first foundational series and we're going to start with mountain pose, one of the strongest foundational standing poses just about in all yoga practices. We'll go ahead and start with mountain pose, which is about strength, stability, and awareness. We'll go ahead and we'll break down Tadasana, which just means Tada is mountain and Asana is pose. So we have mountain pose, strong, just like a mountain. So we'll go ahead and start about hip bone apart, and we'll go ahead and make sure that your feet are grounded in all four corners. Usually you'll be at the top of the mat. It depends on what you're doing. Maybe you're starting off with a sun salutation, but we'll go ahead and make sure that our inside, outside, and the balls of our heels and our toes in the front are lifted and firmly planted down onto the mat. And the next thing we want to do is we want to engage our thighs and we want to lift up our kneecaps nice and strong and lengthen. Then we're going to take a nice pelvic tilt. So we're going to draw the belly button in towards your navel and spine. And then instead of arching your back, we're going to take a nice little pelvic tilt. There you go. We're going to lengthen up nice and tall, opening up our chest, rolling our shoulder blades back away from our ears, gliding them down our back, standing up nice and tall, and just pulling the energy through the crown of your head to the sky, and just drop your arms naturally down to the side. You can always have your palms facing out if you like, or slightly turned in. We'll go ahead and we'll focus on our breath now. Just taking a deep breath in, really filling up your lungs, and then exhale. And when you exhale, just really feel grounded in your practice. Just think as your feet, like a tree has roots. Think of your feet as having roots and being grounded to the earth. We're really staying planted here and focused. We're using our alignment and we're connecting with the earth below us. It's all in one. And we'll go ahead and take a couple more rounds of breath. Now, please let me know how you enjoyed this practice. Any comments, comment below, and please subscribe. I will be putting out another video. Next week, we are going to learn cat and cow, and we're going to break that down. So I hope I explained thoroughly and that you enjoyed the practice. And again, I'd love to hear from you, and I will see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.